Hi friend, this is Dr. Apurv Mehra. Thank you for the response to the videos that you're giving. This video talks about the art of nurturing and the art of patience. We always think about creating something wonderful in the future. We also want that our rewards should be very bright. But in that, we forget only one thing, that for that, your pain is going to be almost of the equal magnitude. Sometimes we become greedy for living a day very well. We want to make our present very smooth. And we don't want to stretch ourselves. We forget it that even if a tree has to grow, you have to put a seed under earth, soil it, water it, nurture it, make it grow. Then only you will be able to enjoy the fruits and the wonderful shadow beneath. This is investment in the future. But for that, you have to rear. Give time, spend time. Same is with our careers. If we try to build everything step by step, have short goals, stretch, we will have a fantastic future. As spoken by a lot of wonderful boxers, don't count your training, how much you're doing. Start counting when it starts hurting. That's what is stretching yourself. If you learn to stretch yourself physically and mentally and say no to people who say no to you, you will have a wonderful, wonderful future. I listened to this story by Mr. Sandeep Maheshwari and I heard it in Hindi. I'll like to speak few points from there. Two boys, they go out playing and there's a well in which an elder boy fell down. He was at the bottom of the well. There was a rope hanging besides. And with lot of power, the younger boy pulled the elder boy. They came back to village and told their story to everybody. People did not believe them. But there was a serious person, very senior person who said, this is absolutely true. Kids don't lie. And you know why that younger child was able to lift the heavier child, double his weight? Because there was nobody to tell him he can't do it. So he had no option. The only option he had was to throw the rope and take out the elder child. This is what I always say. Sometimes having no other option is the best option in life. So, invest in your future. Tolerate the pain today. Don't count when you start working hard. Start counting when it starts hurting you. And second, say no to the people who say no. All the best. Thank you very much.